Hello and welcome to MyETeacher, where we watch, listen and grow. I am Pushpa and I am a teacher by profession. I bring to you these videos to help you understand the topics a little better. In our previous videos, we saw what is simple present tense and what is simple past tense. If you haven't watched those videos, I will link them below. Do go and watch them. Today we will move forward and we will learn what is simple future tense. So let us begin. Future, as we know, is something that is yet to happen. It is an action that will take place in the time to come. Simple future tense has no connection either to the past or to the present. So what do we use simple present tense for? It is used to express a decision made at the time of speaking or writing. For example, if I tell you right now, I will make a video for you tomorrow. It is a decision I have made right now and I am expressing that I am going to do it in the future. To express an intention or a promise. I will study regularly from tomorrow. Do you make such kind of promises to your parents every day? I hope you fulfill them as well. It is used to express a prediction based on opinion or belief. The pandemic will end soon. It is an opinion or belief of the people and hence we can only predict if it's going to happen. To express an offer. For example, shall I make tea for you? It's an offer that I'm making to one person. So it is expressed in simple future tense. Let us see a few examples of simple future tense. The children are the future of the country. I will take the bike to school. I will go shopping tomorrow. I will read the newspaper regularly. So, all these are examples of simple future tense. Now look at the verbs in these sentences. Go, be, take. All these are the base forms or the first forms of the verbs. So in simple future tense, we use the base form or the first form of the verb along with the auxiliary or helping verb will or shall. So, will, shall plus the base form of the verb makes it simple future tense. Remember, unlike in simple present tense, it does not matter whether the subject is singular or plural. Here, the verb is always without an S or an ES. I hope you have understood what is simple future tense used for and what is the form of verb used in simple future tense. In further videos, we will learn how to form sentences and questions in simple future tense. If you enjoyed this video and understood it, share it with your friends and family. Do like and subscribe to our channel. When you love us, it helps us grow. Thank you.